Hey everybody, John Stovall here at MarineMax Lake Lanier. You join me on my newest listing. This is a 2006 Sea Ray 340 Sundancer. This is a rare boat because it's got the Cinnabar Pearl Hull color and the lightwood cabinets. I can't wait to show you the boat. Let's talk about it. Staying on the swim platform, huge swim platform with a grill mount, 2 rear-facing speakers. This area is awesome to hang out in. Moving in the cockpit, you notice we have full Seadeck on the floor. This is tan, looks beautiful, matches the interior. Interior is stunning. Engine hatch stores the table that goes here. Nice seating area to hang out, plus your sink and cockpit fridge up here at the top. Now, if you notice, there's all Wetsounds stereo throughout the boat with a sub. Boat rocks. It's got rod holders on the outside and this super nice bimini that the current seller had added. It looks fantastic with fairly new isinglass all the way around. This boat's also equipped with Garmin radar and a new Garmin MFD built into the dash. Follow me to the helm. Most importantly, Fusion stereo, Mercury SmartCraft gauge system with the Sea Ray monitor system, and new buttons on the dash as well. This boat currently has a little under 600 hours. Boat is just serviced and ready to go. Rebuilt generator about a year ago, and a new AC unit about a year ago in the cabin as well. Follow me in. All right, you join me in the cabin of the 340 Sundancer, and this is where this boat really shines. So again, the lightwood cabinets, this was a rare option back in 06. Combo microwave and coffee maker. DVD player, everything is down here as well. This boat is super clean. Nice seating area on the starboard side. And again, your island berth up forward. And then a beautiful, easy to sleep in aft berth that converts from a settee to a berth. Now, if you notice in the galley, newer isotherm fridge, stainless steel, really modernizes the boat. And then your 2-burner cooktop. This is a wet head as well, but is a decent sized head nonetheless, and really easy to use. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any more questions, please visit us at www.marinemax.com.